Hi there everybody, welcome to our celebration assembly for the week beginning 1st of March 2021. So first of all, happy birthday to the children who've had birthdays this week, and that's Archie in Rabbits class, Madison in Squirrels and Mia in Blackbirds. Hope you all had a fantastic day and got lots and lots of lovely presents. So on to our Learn of the Week. We have first of all our Learn of the Week for Rabbits class, and Mrs Ashton, Miss Barber and Miss Rymel have chosen Sofia. So Sofia is our Learn of the Week. In PE this week she was able to demonstrate all of the gymnastic shapes she'd learned to the group from the previous session and showed amazing listening. We're also very proud of her and how well she's doing with her reading and writing. She's shown a positive attitude and is willing to have a go. Well done, Sofia. Now here we have Sofia's alternative Gingerbread Man story map, and then the story that Sofia has described. So Sofia has said, the little man and the little lady lived in a house. They made a muffin. Then, next, they ran after the muffin. Then there was a horse, and the horse said, I like to eat you up. Next they saw a hungry bear, and next they saw a snake. The snake said, jump onto my back. Next they jumped onto his head. The snake opened his mouth and crunched them all up. Wow, well done, Sofia. Great story. So Miss Anstey and Miss Thornhill, they have chosen Holden for their Learn of the Week. They say, we've been really proud of Holden throughout this whole lockdown experience. Although at times he's found home learning challenging, he's persevered and shown resilience. With the support of his mum, he's achieved some amazing work and read lots of books on Bug Club. We think you are a superstar. And then here we've got some examples of Holden's work. So you've got his English work, where he's changed the characters of the story of the Gingerbread Man. And we've also got some of his maths work. Well done, Holden. Really, really nice work. So Learn of the Week for Squirrels class, Mrs Britt and Mrs Ford have said, Emily is our Squirrels Learn of the Week. Emily has been working very hard at home and been completing all of her Google Classroom assignments even when she's not felt like working. We all have days when we find motivating ourselves difficult, and Emily has showed great resilience in overcoming this. She has consistently produced work of a high standard, but we are particularly proud of her efforts with her handwriting, which has improved dramatically. Well done, Emily. We are so proud of you. And here we've got some lovely examples of Emily's work. She's got her Don't Worry, Be Happy painting, and that was done in Mental Health Week, where she's shown what makes her happy and expressed herself with a wonderful painting. She's done some things about the book she's reading, her dislikes, her likes, puzzles, and things that she's wanted to find more about. We've got her work on oceans in science and geography, and then we've got her practicing her lovely handwriting. So Emily, very, very well done. Great work. Lovely. Blackbird's Learn of the Week is William. Miss Saul, Mrs Irvin and Mrs Drew all have agreed that William has been so engaged since learning at home, completing all his work on time and to a really high standard. This week, he's blown them away with his history and has made a board game all about ancient Egypt, even writing instructions on how to play the game. Well done, William. And so here's William's game. And if you land on an orange square, you have to answer a question about ancient Egypt. So here's the how to play. Up to 4 players all take a character, then go to the start. Who gets to the finish line first wins. Roll the dice. If anyone gets a 6, they get another go. And then green square, move forward 2 spaces. Orange square, question about Egypt. Blue square, go back to the nearest blue. Yellow is safe. And red, move back 2 squares. So, and at the bottom he said, hope you enjoy the game. Good luck. Brilliant work, William. And Learn of the Week for Fox's class is AJ. Mrs O'Toole and Mrs Popham have chosen AJ to be Learn of the Week for his amazing effort in maths. Every week we can see how hard AJ works on his maths tasks and his daily maths challenges that we've set for home learning. We understand that starting a new topic whilst working from home can be tricky, especially fractions, but you've taken it all in your stride and shown amazing commitment to your learning. Well done, AJ. Here we are, look. Here's some examples of his work on fractions, and then some of the work he's done on number lines and a little bit of revision on multiplication. So well done, AJ. Really good home learning. Badger's home learner is Noah. Miss McBride and Mrs. Pears and Mrs. Wilson and Mrs. Limerick have chosen Noah. Noah is the learner of the week for creating this wonderful Viking shield during his time at home. He's worked extremely hard on this and shown his creativity. Noah has also been working hard whilst in school, particularly in his maths, showing a lot of resilience and perseverance within his learning. Well done, Noah. Keep up the wonderful work. Now, have a look at this amazing, fantastic Viking shield. And there you have Noah looking extremely fierce and Viking-like. And then finally, we have home learner for Owl's class, who is Alexis. So Miss Pierce, Mrs. Hudson and Mrs. Malia have decided that Alexis is Learner of the Week for amazing David Hockney inspired painting. She's created a picture with great texture and used shading on a tree in the foreground. She's also created a sense of perspective with the trees in the background appearing smaller. Alexis has also been awarded Learner of the Week for her absolutely fantastic effort in all of her work throughout lockdown. She's never failed to hand in a piece of work and has always tried her best. Brilliant. Well done, Alexis. So let's have a look at this lovely artwork. There, look. Isn't that fantastic? Absolutely superb. Alexis, we've seen before that you're a brilliant artist, and this is really, really great. So that's all from our celebration assembly, and fingers crossed, now we're all back in school, we can do our assemblies all together over Zoom and watch them all together and see each other's work. So well done everybody who's been working at home. You have all been fantastic. The children at school have all been fantastic. And now, finally, and at long last, we are all going to be back to school all together on Monday. So look forward to seeing you all then. Bye-bye, everybody. See you on Monday.